Pick mo na.
Rodrigo Duterte.
Bongga. Duterte pa rin. Grabe talaga. What? Kahit anong masabi niyo sa kanya, ayaw niyo sa kanya, yan. This man, Rodrigo Duterte, has a charisma that is unparalleled. Pero ang charisma niya, sa masa, hindi sa elite.
Opo.
I think he came at a time when the Filipinos were so tired of elitist politicians. Also, that we've never had a president from Mindanao in a long time. Because Rojas was from the Visayas, right? Osmeña was also from the Visayas. So, ang feeling ng mga tao na Mindanao's left out. I think up to now, they still feel that way. Pero si Rodrigo Duterte, makita mo fatalistic itong tao. If there's one word I can say about Digong, we were mayor together. And that's how we met before. Because I was president of the League of Cities. The League of Cities. He's fatalistic. Nung nandun siya na sa Villamor, no, he was really trying to compose himself. Na parang, que sera. And if this is gonna happen, I'm gonna do this with dignity. Fatalistic siya. Which, pag fatalistic ang tao, you cannot do him a lot of harm. You know, emotionally and all that. Kasi, he knows his fate.
Ma'am, tingin niyo mapapauwi pa po siya?
I don't think so. Kailangan talagang tapusin yung kaso. Oo, hindi yung motion nila na ma-house arrest siya. I don't think that will be granted. But, again, Filipino politics God forbid. Pag namatay si Digong, President Digong sa Hague, panalo na si Sara. Pag nakauwi naman, panalo din si Sara. Kaya talaga, ito si BBM gang with their congressmen, talagang lahat na lang gagawin. May impeachment, may plunder case, may ano. Well, stop it already. 125 million in confidential funds is liquidated with the COA. Compared to your billions and billions na ninakaw nyo dyan, sa ghost projects nyo at flood control, mga kakikbakan nyo dyan. Diyos ko, parang tumigil na nga kayo. Yun na message ko sa mga congressman na ito. Tumigil na kayo.
Kaya lang may mga 2 years pa sila, Mama Bing.
Oo, pero yun na nga, gusto ko parang si Rip Van Winkle ba? Matulog ka na pagising mo. Matulog ka ng 100 years, pagising mo, wala na sila dyan.
Mama Bing, how do you feel? Do you feel vindicated na nung time na dapat congresswoman ka, hindi binigay sa'yo ng Panginoon?
I feel
pero
blessed.
Ngayon po, nangyayari lahat to.
Yes, I feel blessed. You know why? Because 2 things would have happened. One is I would have compromised for the sake of my constituents. Meaning, I'll go along with Martin. So we get also our ayuda and all, etc. Or, early on, I would have stood there in a privileged speech because I knew about that 5% na insertion na kickback. I knew about that. A congressman told me. But the best blessing of all is I was spared.
Yes, right.
Because,
when you become a congressman or congresswoman now, it's no longer a prestigious title, right?
I was spared. I was spared precisely so I can do this now. I can call them out. I can call them thieves. If I were congresswoman now, I will not be able to do that. So much, right? Pero I'm free.
And you're also guided by God.
Of course. I always pray before I eat.
Yes,
before meals,
it's
before
very
sleeping.
important for a public servant like you to have that, shield from God.
And you have to have fear of God.
Exactly.
I was raised by Christian parents. My father was a Baptist. My mother was a devout Catholic. And I went to Silliman High School, which is an American Presbyterian college. No? Now, the Americans are no longer. But at the time when I was there, the Americans were still there. So, I still worship in both Catholic Church and the Protestant churches and born-again churches. So, it's very important that our government leaders have fear of God.
To lead the right way and to be in the right path.
Kasi yung mga yan, sisimba-simba lang mga yan, pakitang tao. Dahil hawak-hawak nung Santo Niño, di ba nakakahiya yan? So, kung ako mahiya talaga ako sa inyo, sayaw-sayaw nyo yung Santo Niño. Buti na lang, hindi kayo sinapak ng Santo Niño. Nung nag-disaster doon sa Cebu, wala kayo doon. Kami, kahit paano, yung grupo namin doon, na-discarrel pa nga yung bus namin, jeep na nagdadala ng pagkain. Kahit paano kami mga Bisaya, ambag-ambag kami pera para padalan, pati mga OFW. kahit paano, sila, saan ba kayo nag-ayuda doon? Tapos, sayaw-sayaw kayo ng Santo Niño? Ya, kahilas ba? So,
Ano
Cebuano
ba
pa,
ibig sabihin po
hilasa, oy!
Ano mo ibig sabihin nun?
Nga ano kayo? Hilas? Kahilas ba?